What's up, guys and gals? Roy from Roy's Customs here. Got a little bit of a car audio review for you here. Number one, my buddy needed some new speakers in his car. Just basically factory replacements is pretty much all we was doing because the factory speakers were crap. But we went ahead and changed the head unit too anyways. But we did decide, well, he did decide on a couple of different sets of speakers here. Number one, from Addictive Audio, he got the FRX series, FRX 69s, which are 6x9 factory replacement coaxial speakers. I gotta actually say that when we got it all hooked up and got to playing it, they sounded pretty good. They're not anything super fantastic. They're like 20 watts RMS, 50 watts max. So you can't expect a whole lot out of them. As far as the price goes, they're about 75 bucks a set, at least where he got them at. So anyways, just a quick little take on them. I like the way they sounded. They do have a little like 1 inch or 1.5 inch dome tweeter in the center of them that actually sticks out the shaft. So anyways, so you got the coaxial 6x9s and then you got the mini dome tweeters in them as well. So as far as all that goes, they sounded really good. And I gotta say, if you've got 75 bucks to spend on a set of 6x9s and you want some pretty decent quality, good sound, check out Addictive Audio. They're not bad. They also have a pretty big lineup of like subs and amps and like I think they got different size door speakers and stuff too, I think. But they also carry a 6x9 sub, which what I have heard of the 6x9 subs, they don't really have a lot of excursion, so, but they are for a shallow mount, so I did read up on that a little bit. Anyways, I don't really know a whole lot about Addictive Audio, but I do know about these speakers, and if you're looking for some factory replacement 6x9s, I would say grab you a set of Addictive Audio. So anyways, that's all for that. Also, he had to get new door speakers, and he got these KFC 4675Cs from Kenwood, 4x6s, which 4x6s, it doesn't really matter what brand you have, they're all kind of iffy at best. But whenever we hooked them up, they did sound pretty good. They was quite clear and clean. Here's a little bit of something about it. They are 60 watt peak power anyways. Let's see what we have on here. 2 voice coils. Dome tweeter. Wow, I think they're in French or something because I'm having a little trouble reading them. Wow, that's crazy. Anyways, 50 hertz to 25 hertz. Sensitivity is 90 decibels. The impedance, they're 4 ohm speakers. The weight is 760 grams. 60 watts max. Tweeter's 25 millimeters. The cone is 95 millimeters by 153 millimeters. So anyways, that's just basically, there's not much to say about them. They're 4x6s, but they did have some pretty good highs. They didn't really have a whole lot on the mid bass, but yeah. But anyways, nice little set of Kenwood 4x6s if you happen to have those, which my S10 by chance, actually takes the exact same size of speakers as what his Malibu door speakers are. So anyways, there you have it. I don't really have a whole lot to say about these, but they are pretty decent. It was just a little extra that I wanted to put in this video because I am going to be doing a little more car audio stuff this year, as well as with everything else. So anyways, Kenwood 4x6s, not bad, pretty good, sound all right, nice and clean. I think you'd be happy with them if you have to have 4x6s. Okay, so anyways, that's just a quick little review. Couple of different little speakers that we ended up having to use for his vehicle because his factory speakers were junk. And anyways, thank you guys for watching, and feel free to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We'll have more reviews and stuff coming up. We'll even have some installs of different stuff too. So yeah, feel free to subscribe if you're not already. Thank you for watching. Have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.